Hello everyone, today I will show you a very easy and effective way to do a skin brightening facial with all natural ingredients. This facial is very good for extremely dry skin. This facial includes 5 steps which are cleansing, scrubbing, steaming or to remove blackheads and whiteheads, massaging and face pack. This facial will give you a healthy, glowing and radiant skin easily at home. The main ingredient in this mask is banana. So first let's take half banana and cut into small pieces. Smash it to a smooth fine paste. We are going to use this banana paste in all our face masks. So before we get into the video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. The first step is to cleanse our face. Now take 1 tablespoon of banana paste, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of milk. Mix them together really well. Gently apply it on your face and neck. Massage it for about 10 minutes and wash it off with warm water. Banana contains wrinkle-fighting nutrients that helps fade age spots and prevent fine lines and wrinkles. Your face will feel soft and well hydrated after using this mask. You will get soft and supple skin instantly. You can also apply this mask onto your acne to reduce inflammation. The next step is scrubbing. To make a banana scrub, take half tablespoon of banana, half tablespoon of rice flour, half tablespoon of sugar and half tablespoon of milk. Mix it well. Scrub your face and neck for 5 minutes and wash it off with water. Rice flour helps to remove the dead skin cells and it also improves the skin complexion. Next step is to steam our face. Take some water in a vessel and boil it. Once the water has boiled, squeeze half a lime and steam your face for about 10 minutes. One of the biggest benefits of face steaming is that it helps to open your pores, removes the dirt, oil or sweat clogged within, and provides a deep cleansing effect. Steaming also helps to loosen up the blackheads and whiteheads. So always remove the blackheads and whiteheads immediately after steaming your face. I have already done a video on how to remove blackheads at home. I will include the video in the description below and also on the top right corner of this video. Kindly follow all the 5 steps for better results. If you have removed your blackheads and whiteheads recently, then you can skip this step and move on to step 4. The next step is massaging. To massage, just take 1 tablespoon of banana paste and massage your face for 10 minutes. Massaging helps to improve the blood circulation and fades fine lines over time. The last step is face mask. Take 1 tablespoon of milk, 1 tablespoon of banana paste, 1 tablespoon of gram flour or besan. Apply this mask on your face and neck and leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then wash off with warm water. This face mask will give you instant brightening and also helps to remove fine lines. Do this facial at least once a week for better results. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, kindly share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Also click the bell icons for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.